Okay, requested by many, yeah. So, okay, this is something you can buy from electronic shop, but must have one tip and three ring. So you use the yellow one. I'm going to use the guitar as a example lah. So you must use the yellow one. Okay, this is you can use those with two ring. That's only for audio. This is for recording. Or sometimes some phone use it for the third ring is for volume control. So this is you use the yellow one. Now you can see me. Alright. Okay, so I can plug this in now to the phone. You still can hear me. But once I plug this in, you can't hear me talking. Okay, now this one I choose this effect out because you can still can control the volume when you're recording. I do my live at very low volume. Let's see, I can show you how low. Very soft. But this is the volume to the phone. So effect out is the best. Headphone also can, but headphone if you down the volume you can't hear a thing. Headphone out, effect out is the best. You can control the red button, which is louder, which is softer. It's different from here. Okay, now I'm going to plug this in.